Child pornography has been an issue in our society for decades. Over the years, the United States has been unable to solidify a universal definition for child pornography. On a federal level, the age for children is set at anyone under the age of 18. And also, there is a federal declaration that any photograph or film that contains sexual, explicit behavior is pornography. However, the rest of defining child pornography varies state to state depending on what sexual exploitation is considered in that state. With an inconsistent definition, it makes it difficult to end this issue in America. In general, however, child pornography can be considered any photo or video that contains sexual intercourse, masturbation, bestiality behavior, or exposure of the genitals when a child under the age of 18 is involved. The problem has deepened with the use of the Internet. In fact, the Protection of Children Against Sexual Exploitation Act of 1977 and the 1988 amendments had lowered the crime of child pornography. Unfortunately, having a World Wide Web has allowed this crime to grow seriously out of control. The fact that the Internet is available globally makes putting an end to it even harder, and it also means that it takes a global effort in order to end this epidemic. Solving this crime is difficult case to case. Often it is hard to trace pornography back to its original source. Even when law enforcement is able to do so, it can be hard to verify the age of the children who are participating. Between the month of July 2000 and July 2001, the law enforcement were able to arrest 1,713 offenders. This was possible due to technology that is available to investigators. However, it takes special training for investigators to be able to pull up and use computer forensics. Law enforcement also still uses the traditional undercover strategies in order to catch offenders. Once criminals are caught, it can be difficult to prove the intent of the crime. While it is easier for those who generate child pornography to be found guilty, it can be harder to prove that someone had the intent to possess child pornography. With the Internet comes the chance of mistakenly downloading or possessing child pornography. The Child Protection Act includes the mens rea term knowingly to ensure that accidental possession is distinguished between intentional possession. Until the Internet is free of child pornography, it will be a crime that continues to plague our society worldwide. And worldwide, we must continue to work together to end this crime, to protect our children and our society.